Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park and set the parking brake, and keep the engine off so the electronics behave predictably. Once ready, make sure the odometer or multi-information display is visible. Press and hold the trip/reset button on the dash. This forces the display into service reset mode. While holding, turn the ignition to on, not start, because the system needs accessory power to accept a reset command. Hold until the display changes. This prepares the car for the next step. Now follow the central action. When the display shows the maintenance reminder or a countdown, keep your focus on the exact prompt you see. If the words reset or a zeroed mileage appear, release the trip button and press it briefly to confirm. This writes the change to the car's computer. For Rav4s with a multi-function display, use the steering wheel arrows to open menu, go to Settings, find Maintenance, and select Reset, because the car needs a direct confirmation to clear the flag. Finish by turning ignition off, then start the engine and verify the maintenance light is extinguished. This confirms the change saved correctly. If the light returns, repeat the reset sequence once more, or, as a secondary step, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 1 to 2 minutes to clear residual flags. If the indicator still persists, make sure to scan the ECU for stored trouble codes or consult service records, because an underlying issue or pending code will prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.